First, I want to thank you for giving us this opportunity to be here and ask you these questions. From a consumer standpoint, I use ChatGPT heavily, and I'm always on Reddit seeing everyone's building, whether it's using Codex, Lovable, or Cursor. But it seems like the new problem is GTM, right? That I can build these things, but how do I find people to gain value from what I'm building? And I see it to be a bottleneck. I'm curious as to what you think about that.
Before this, I used to run Y Combinator. And the consistent thing you'd hear from startup founders is, I thought the hard part of this was going to be building a product, and the hard part is getting anyone to care or to use it or like to connect people. So I think this has always been extremely hard, but now it's gotten so much easier to build that you feel the delta even more. I don't have an easy answer for this. I think always it's been hard to build a business, and to figure out a way to build differentiated value, to get the go-to-market function working. I think all of the old rules still apply there. The fact that AI can kind of make it far easier to create software doesn't mean any of the rest of this gets easier, except I think you're starting to see, in the same way that AI has transformed software engineering, people are now using it to automate sales, automate marketing, and there will be some success there. But I think it's always going to be difficult, because even in a world of incredible abundance, human attention remains like this very limited thing. And so you're always going to be competing with other people trying to build their own go-to-market muscle and figure out how to get the distribution, and every potential customer is busy and everything else. So, I could tell a version of the future where all of the radical abundance comes true, and human attention really is like the remaining commodity. And so I just expect this to be hard, and you got to come up with creative ideas and build great things.